Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to build native iOS applications using OpenText Mobile 2.1. I'm going to open an existing TD Mobile application that displays a table, and that table is updatable, so you can insert, update, delete values there. And I'm using REST services to do that in this application. So just a little bit of background. But really important are the settings here. Go to the build settings in the settings ribbon, and you have to enable Cordova build to be able to build to native iOS or Android applications. So I filled in the values here. My application is already available on my local machine, which happens to have this local IP address here and this application directory, Mongo REST. My target display is a tablet. I have chosen a Cordova project directory, which is empty at the moment. I did define a package name for iOS, and then I need to switch the target platform here. Let me choose iOS, because I really want to build an iOS application that I'm going to show you on my iPhone 6s Plus soon. So if that is all set, just press OK here and go to the project ribbon. And then in compile you have two options now to compile for TD Mobile. That would be the normal web deployment, and compile to Cordova, which is the new native compilation, which now is set to iOS. And this compilation process will create the entire project from here, will add all the required Cordova project settings, and create that iOS project for me. Once I have that iOS project, I will need to copy that over to my Mac. Actually, this I'm already running Windows in a Windows remote desktop on a Mac here, and I just have to copy that over once this has compiled completely. And you see all the different commands adding iOS platform to Cordova project, and then the command that has been executed, and all the feedback is coming right into the output window of TD Mobile. So now you see compile completed successfully. Let's switch to the file browser, and you see that Mongo REST app directory here, which has all the things required now, including the iOS platform and the xCode project that I will need on the Mac then. So now I'm going to copy all this over to my Mac and go to the Documents xCode directory. There's a tech support directory, and below that TD Mobile iOS building. That's where I want to copy my project. So now I go back here and grab the entire directory and copy that over to my Mac. So this will take a minute or so. On the Mac, I do have now the source code copied over. I've started my iPhone screen mirroring, and now I'm going to look into the source code here, into platforms, iOS, and open the Apple xCode project. Now in this xCode project, the only thing you have to do is do the code signing and select the team you're using, or the code signing person that you're using. That's just one click, and then you go choose your target. I have my iPhone connected to this Mac now. I'm going to run this right from my iPhone now. So and it has compiled it, and now it's running the app on the iPhone, and you see the app is running on the iPhone. So that's what's needed to compile a TD Mobile application to native iOS. Basically just the signing properties in the xCode project need to be set to a developer that has an Apple developer account.